In my previous tutorial, I demonstrated how to convert low-resolution logo into high-resolution one. If you haven't watched that tutorial, you can find the link in the description below. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to convert high-resolution logo into vector shape layers. This will allow us to make changes to the color, scale it further, or even save it as a symbol for later use. Converting a logo into a vector shape layer has numerous benefits. So, let me walk you through the different methods of achieving this. The first method is the channel-based approach. To get started, enable the channel panel from the window menu. Then, select the most contrasting channel. Here I'm selecting blue channel. Next, hold down the Control key and click on the thumbnail of the image to make a selection. Invert the selection by going to Select and then Invert. Enable the Paths panel from the window menu and click on the Make Work from Selection icon. This will convert the selection into paths. Finally, add a solid color to create a shape layer. You can now change the color as you desire. Moving on to the second method, which is simpler than the previous one. Select the Content-Aware Tracing tool from the Pen Tool section. If you can't find the tool, you need to enable it from the Preference panel. Go to Edit, Preference, and under the Technology Preview, enable the Content-Aware Tracing tool. Once you have enabled it, restart Photoshop. Fine, now, select the Content-Aware tool, then, click on the edge of the logo to create a shape layer. If anything goes wrong, simply undo it and redo it. And there you have it. Two simple methods to convert high-resolution images into vector shape layers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.